Hello viewers, in this video we will discussing about the object tracking dashboard with YOLO V7. We are targeting this video YOLO V7. Currently in 15 days ago we are going to the V5 YOLO V5 object tracking. You can see the result of the dashboard YOLO V7. So we are already creating one video YOLO V5. So you also get code from this video. Now discussing about the object tracking dashboard YOLO V7. So first of all, YOLO V7 very fastest algorithm. You can see the a lot of publishing papers, and it's very simple and same technique and logic you can get from previous videos. So it's not a big deal, not a big uh, just like a simple method for the YOLO V7, YOLO V5 and YOLO series. So we are going to the simple creating simple report you download from here. Also, if you have used Git, you git clone this report, then go to the directory, then upgrade your pip. After upgrade your pip, you install the requirements I will give you one file, environment file. If you want to create a virtual environment, so you also create a virtual environment. Okay, I think this is not it's not okay. It's okay for 8.3.8 version Python. It's not to worry about the pip and environment creation. It's very simple, just two commands to use this. And last, you can YOLO V7 demo. Also you can Tiny, YOLO VR. These four reports you also test one by one. I will put one, but in this video I will update the all commands. Also YOLO V7 Tiny we will discuss in it. So let's go. I'm going to the my directory. First of all, you download code wait from here. So you can see model. Okay, then you download model P6. Also wait. So you can go to the I will go my this report. Sorry. Okay, it's a lot of. Okay, no problem. So going to the my YOLO V7, go to the wait. You can see the two files of the AUXNet YOLO V7. You one video. You can see the one video of the testing file. You can see also result car, obviously detection the object of the cars. So also one see the interface. I will also one person car and a track. After car mention the car. I know it's too much. Uh, 1 second video. We will go to the our file. You can see I am already in my YOLO V7 stream main file. Python version. I will show you the Python version 3.9.13. You can see the Python version of and quite this version, and you go and some simple command pip install this command. Okay, after you running this command, I will update all my packages. I cannot want to run this command this video. It's too much long video. My target is the simple and smart video to convert my wording to my supporters. So let's start. After you install, you just run python download wait. This command will be download all weights. I will already download my weight folders, so I'm execute this command. After this command, you go to the running this command for wave. Here I will copy. You can get this type of showing a browser. Just press the link, and you can also see the one video. Please replace of the beta version of the column. It's not worry about this. Okay, if you want this type of the, you use webcam, you just click here webcam, you save the video. Please press the save video. If you want to go to the browser, and I have already I have video test input video, so I can go to the browser. You can see you enable your GPU. You use this video will taking some time to count object track and total count. You can see the one is too much slow because I have not the GPU based system. You have GPU, you enable the GPU based, and you can also see the some libraries here. If you want to use running this GPU based, you can put here GPU. If you not have want to GPU, you cannot use the GPU. Do not mention the GPU. Okay, it recognized already in CPU. Okay, so you can see the one object track total object also, and it's too much slow, I know. Go to the interface. Here video will be created. In last section, the result will be showing you this type: 1 car, 2 car, 3 car. Zero point 0.1 frame per second. Okay, it's too much taking time. I hope you like it. Please support our channel for more getting information updates. In if you want to any confusion, you comment down in video. We will sort out. I hope you like it.